Hi kids, good evening. Welcome to back your YouTube channel Kids Club. We learn different type of painting here. I hope you like this channel. Today we are going to color an ice cream. Wow! Now I would like to say something about ice cream. Ice cream is a frozen sweet food. It is very tasty food. It is called sweets and creamy. It comes in different flavors like vanilla, chocolate and strawberry flavors are the most popular all across the world.
Oh yeah!
It is possible to make it in the house. It is really interesting food for everyone. In summer season, we love to eat ice cream very much. But now ice cream is a very popular food all across the world. I like to eat ice cream. Wow! Do you like to eat ice cream?
Oh my god!
Let's enjoy with me and keep watching the video. Wow, it's really very yummy. I feel like eating right now. Wow. Very good. Nice color.
Oh no!
Good job. Thanks for being with me, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Now it's complete.
Wow!
Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take care.